Chanson Sammy, yet update in a banner, yet him send woman first game at Basso Ghana time, who remember some macros at time and came to Basua at 8 o'clock and then tree and Bolivia, Amani Maya, your father said Venezuela for game, and Basua brought Bolivia a game, yet him say Okomu Chroma altitude in the Massa. I want to remember your trouble, your messy Cobo Paul and pay. What did you have fetch up? We won't sell your messy fate and watch it. You're not much a crowd from him and some essence altitude. And our Bolivia, Konomukuma, woman and us at home to be chatting to the town, Munino, now I went to Ensense and Bolivia, Mano, Wamu Pomu came at a town Venezuela Tima, and I Estadio Municipal, I get the Alto, Oko, I just Alto, and I sang the Basso Rafina, your father said Walmar, Rodan, no, I Colombian, and I sang Gema Abasono, one of some other Quaquati ABM, and some Gema Argentina Timono, one some other Chile, and a Baba Gema, I did Yamiano China, just a Ghana time, and some Dumian Chasana tree, won't compose or crocodile, Pompisa, Yame Emma, the Pancho, and a Jono, Ebia Fame, and will be 12 crime on it, a first will be connect, or more connect, Niate, and for some prepare, a Busu, I tell some time, no, and Argentina for so a game, any Chile for and no some other Kosua, where I am at Yamenseca, and some other Estadio, I am monumental, our Bruno Zareso, and a Sama to the Abaso Refina, one of the Venezuela, Yafan Jesus Valenzuela, and a Bacca Center referee, and some Adamasa Gema, and none else about me about Ebium, and some Ayamacha, Uruguay, Mino, woman some other game at Paraguay, I am Yamiana 11:30, and a John our Ghana Tamo, and a Sa Uruguay for game, and none else about Woko, a crew, I found someone to be Daiwa, a home man of game a bus a statue, a centenario and a game, or found Dario Herrera, one of my Argentina and El Quaquati, one of your chess and Argentina Yahomache, now you Gransia or China and a Jono, a teacher, a Saturday, and some Anopa, 1 o'clock, I know Pa and a Brazil, and some other Ecuador, one of some game Abaso Brazil, Alabo game our Kuto, and I a statue, a Pereira, Oko Curitiba, or Refansa Facundo Telo, one of Argentina and El Quaquarisa Gema, and also Abacos Ansana, a Saturday, the same time, and also for 30 minutes later, and I 1:30, and up to 2 Yawa Peru and Colombia, Mino, one some game also boss I refina, your father said Esteban Ostoich, I know I Uruguaynia, one of some other Quaquati, our Bragamino, I Estadio Nacional, our Lima, and a Peru and Colombia. For Timono, one some bet me up at Serenino, and some my update to Abashak, but money answer from an upper Cinemo, and some other burning in our person line up, will bet me at the Atoso at the man, Chasabibia, and some much as I say, and a Omugamo, and some number self questions, manager father said to revolve, or run on any upgrade as a prosomino, woman other Sakwabia, some qualify, Nampo Ebia, Trophy, and Tosso Macumako Sexino, one some answer to Yaka, Mamma. And Proso Timono, Nam Amutuari session, as our Coswakotena, or some local prior nay, a Manchester Joao Pedro, and some Anachas a chance about the Shamino, Dominions will be on fun one canoe, you found Pedro, now Bynum. Will be on fun one canoe. Yes, your Baba started training and what twisty. I had the ankle, amateurs of Bino. I'm sad the rest of this year. And yes, I could down about point to way. I had time and just a proso Timno. Woman some not prepare. Our Dominions and goalkeeper. Your friend Alison Becker impost and watch it. Or real father said Danilo and Ede Militao. Woman Gabriel Magalhaes. Afe. Woman Rana Bruno Guimaraes. Oh no. And some Andre about metal. Look. Paquita, a woman named Rodrigo on the right. I'm a Vinny Junior on the left. No, Porima da Cotena. Your father's Entrecano, and some Mastatis came our Nemo, and some Ayamatim our Bramano Casano, and so I update Abana Cotena. Your father's Luis Henrique. One of I hope you on your call up, Nemum, Wabatna bench. Enrique no was say Yamatuka only a Chelsea boy na your friend Sir William Estivio Omunina Bo and some animal Pamarash. Now Biden was say on Enrique and was say Yamatuka say now was signing in another die so as a bedroom baby Obenya national team Abo and as a Kobasabi national team Rukan Onyabia Ba one Abaswani player your friend Sam Finiso Junior and Chester Rodrigo and a boy Abam at German die so and some Abam and Busana sa William Katana, your father said William Estivio, Munano, Munya column, I am going to say now, when a bus was decampo, when a bus was making a debut, and was her, woman, you know, be a Safata, Sakabasabia, William Estivio, a bar, one Abasoportino, and a Basabio, no, a branch of Fanasa, Luis, and also Luis Henrique, and some started game now. What did he about Estivio, and some Abasoportino, name of the Yana Sender, woman, some call up our playing time, no woman sa enso ebetimi akambie wonum sa makacho so Colombia woman some other Peru ababa ansana woman game against Argentina and some abaso player bakua wonum our former pa aye Liverpool akotana your friend Luis Diaz anu so your press conference now Luis Diaz and Demian say yes, say, boy, they say, or share himself former when our Liverpool, no, what do you Adiama Colombia, our national team. Now, the all can answer her, I will be a so your player, maybe a season and starting on your Makoya say, and some Adamawa, Yanama confidence level, and so Kosoro, Yana inspire, essence, the best one can answer and yet GA Passende, one of some start season, Amanima Kokama, and some Adamano, I just know I am some frontier, your father said Diaz, and some Adiatuka, now. Portugal, one came about small salmon fono, and some account some PI, and a Ronaldo no, and 21 more men ye. Now Portugal, and some other Croatia, Nations League game, and about I 6:45, and a sack game, and on some other Koso, or refer say Halil Malesh, I know I Turkish, and a sack game, Abasono, one on some other Kokoti, one more Pokemon, our Benfica, one more stadium, and I Estero Dalu, and Ronaldo Munier, I just a Portugal. Timono, woman some training proud to gamer and abaso and anumreno and chasayate except Libby and some Akani from Portugal Campano and some at Emma. Now at Deba Conisem. Wuko aya Croatia, woman branch of Borna Sosa. Now Sosa was say, Ronaldo na kasa home oyobia chance asem boni bia ni wabetimi yaka e dia fa Ronaldo ama yeye wono bona Sosa na kasa na atea wose yakasa bia bobi story a Ronaldo na kasa na munim no and Ronaldo na wo hwe ni no Ronaldo no ankasa aye story dada na wo hwe na hyasia ene oba be peja ene time a yagusu e wo mu ene chance ne ma Ronaldo aye wonim sam ni kwa so kasa pi and to see Ronaldo according to Borna so say when one can say a story data and te untimi nya samponi bia enka emfa Ronaldo ho na amubusa coach ya fano Roberto Martinez sam no bia twam me de betu twase Ronaldo say onom onya retire na ebra no so a anyam na mobeka ana ebra no so a ono obia ni nkwamyasie say bia me na wo tena se na me be say me retire odwa ho say tabi o me ball bia mane o starting the ball one kan chiro bi tabra no so na so no Ronaldo retire on control be amubati so say bonum omobiem na ayete so start here because na wo ya friend cam Ronaldo aba wo be name first 11 na camera dan some our bench na okitani just wash up babe that be anya juma kra no we guaranteed starter our Portugal team no anu busa coach no so pani yesem obana say already otuamu why is abelaba no na no cry and a coach and saying Ronaldo there will be himself or a very important player at the man a football. Now the other one can answer football deba say position be biano yana competition as a player be all the same ambition. Say the Obaso Popo now defend the Obaso Popo now we assist and answer be a shall calling sign a player be sunya one of some Abaso yentine yana competition and some our throw now the Obaso can answer Ronaldo as started season ye woko Al Nassr untimi nkancham sa season start ye wonte Ronaldo enka anya watenenka na je okane nyina no sa womum ababo game at say in the space of 72 hours no womum some our matches besem yenu pa watiri ye pass group no team no doso na mom no kranyam yenu ni say womum be start match ama Portugal no and then wobi anu a our guaranteed spot ewo chasa national team ni mo wobi anu obetumi akasa bi onom start anasempo wono some anabo enti anom ayanu ya owura no ensom adema chasomeya ye fa no Portugal central for enra womum some akọ match ni bi na Ronaldo anu ya ba na ye fa no Alma say ye want to just and womu tai omo brachi pampe ansa Ronaldo niama no bako ye Alma na tesa bako so ye katia na Alma no anu wasem omo tai bra pani achi pampe esansa na omo bra babo na okamu maswote wonti ase a jopa bi aye mon forget womo amosi omo ni mpo na ana Messi den na Maradona masa wasi Ronaldo no ever since a ball started ebesi na ye kase no Ronaldo the best in the history of a racing football. And to Montias, according to see Ronaldo, and some money abano, one bra, and a chess a ball back or some winano, one of some money bonabotina tree, one about a supportino, I just some of a stadium, Abeshebi, Nam almost supportino, and some other bra penny in Yasama, Mamma Fans Alma, Nini and some other Ronaldo, one of some other country cafe, young court near Cancer Ballon d'Or, make another person, Rodri say. What did you about I want to know? I was so come over your Spaniard. Now, Chesabia Spain, and I was so no genia. You can't say Ballon d'Or. Now, I tell back on some gonna say, who could I was Emerald Barcelona Shack, Kubina listener, Omomunya Chesa nominations, Casapano, one of La Liga and Quenya Macuma 10. Now, La Liga 10, Real Madrid, we to cruise every month. Aye 6. We return to cruise Abakawa. Aye Makuma 7. And I'm Barca from 2 Abai and a Bilbao and some other Baku also until La Liga and a dominati. Aye just nominees Emra and no some Abai. La Liga for say a Kutia Bian Nura. Message them I am very clear. I am very simple. Modia Montana Namonya I and the Premier League more debt. And a Premier League, you know, and a competition was through. Yeah, we some said the last best 10 years. Yana Europa and the Champions League. I call here. Munina Madam Sabat Spain. So when I dominate here, and I deal with some confirm Wamusu status. I want here. You can say we are football. I can say La Liga the best league, you know. Sign up and for say you from message. I'm a monano person, sir. Apart from maybe Madrid, when you're 6, and also to me find 7. I would do cruise. I can. And watch Arsenal. Woman 4, Man City enya 4. Now just a Premier League na ho. Woman some other best 8 bills so banono. And what you benya Inter Milan mo Barca mo. Woman Chelsea at the back so and Stamila to be by. Now so much the no so 10. Now so La Liga still Bama. Woman the no just a competition. And some awasro. Now Real Madrid for year omofa. And some say answer we omo 13 T. Yabaswana so. Now Sonia no and a Jamaican can say, Real for some Mubenya, Nanka, podium, no so your son so, never can last 3. I just am also Mukotana Simpiano so, Nebia 1, 2, 3, 1, and a better Ballon d'Or, a sin in Nasua. One more Basami and sending Nayobu players. Now, among Casatanasia, one must entain sim, a Brady K ABC, I am 1988. I know I am 36 years ago. AC Milan, Oko Aya podium, no so, one more players me and and emerge as the best 3. I'm a move back on some Ballon d'Or. Apart from 1988, you know, we remember some our Barca AAB 2010. Say yes, I had Real for say, also because Barca for Onomoka now the Champions League 15. No much also Ballon d'Or podium, Pamiasa, na a players, and one of the room, yes, Real Madrid for so say, I feel no more super so many, now mom. One 3 year passer, Rodri Bono Boyano, and to me, Kobasa the last 3. Now, Yabena Ebia Very Junior, Ebia Mbappe, and it's Ebia Kwanare Fanasa Ballon, Mommy and San Quantabi. Ebia Jude, Vinicius Junior, Mbappe, Wamia Santabi, not Rodrigo, no, wine a day, and till almost to say, and because I will consider Champions League, you know, Mbappe and Yibi, I have Vinicius Junior, and it's just a Jude, and a J, Rodrigo, Nidia Massa Alestinimo, and also quite a different story. And Thomas Susa, Montemana Rodri Abano, Rodri Abacam, I last three no, because of the player of the tournament, I was Euros anymore, and none, and I'm Real Madrid. One die so you can say, Mammy Rodri was say, or Gideon Bassa was our the Quadmobia, one I Spain, and upon a sec of time, Yentia Rodri, our bra, when the BBC Edin Coma, not just a show hot. And the Tinam Adama at your BBC.
Well, I said because the final, I would love that the Spanish player win it. I think we deserve all these years because we have the best period in our history and we didn't want it. Of course, because we have the two beasts we have with Cristiano and Messi that they kind of. Sometimes it's difficult to say no, this guy is not the best. They were the best, in my opinion, in his career. And we have lots of great players, and also we've managed the best football sometimes in some periods. So don't having a Ballon d'Or Spanish, we just have one. Maybe you don't know Luis Suarez in the very beginning.
Right. Okay.
We just have one. So I think Spain should have a recognition. I'm not saying it's me, but yeah, let's see. It's something that I cannot control. It's something that everything that will come will be accepted and glad for, because for me being in that speech or in that conversation, imagine like it's already a compliment and a dream. So whatever it comes, I will take it. And yeah, I think as I said to you before, the last 2 years I've been very important in my role in the team, and it's something that makes me so proud of.
Yes, and all again, some more branch Fanasa Rodri, and I'll tell your daily excepts, Emma, your Jeffa, and Anno Paffer, Bannon, Quedana Diana, Lami Jaman, no any other boys, I can nomination, who call I had a France football magazine, one front page, now just say, one so Jumadia can say be a magazine or no, and I just one and I can say cover, not just any mono Lami Jaman, one of the other just says, Kadiabakupo, why we are wanting in advance, and I on ye, I'm like a cana. Now, Lami Yamasabama, and now one year not just a crack age 17. Now we are 17 years no France football. I don't know Lami Jamal, I am magazine cover. Where you are drew. Lami Yama say Yaman to just ena wahua. Just an j and so. I just a feeling I want your own to mean church them. I'm manning ye. Essence and ye easy. I don't know. I can't say who's a picture can bra and crofore magazine any move down. Now I bring papa. Just a Ronaldo Messi and uncle anymore. About the trip just out. I know some of them more. Yet then update. I'm not here. Pedro didn't come up in a baby. Yamini. Now, baby, Zavi will be. I'm say minim Serobesia Fano. When I'm saying a branch of a padri, I say, and the manager finance a flake, I say, oh, you're free. I say, oh, feel it, the liberty. I say, yeah, you know, Chinchine, Chana Sabia Pampe, Sabia Qua, Menrua, Mensia, just a manager man, a free row, woman liberty. I was just a team no our boss elbow ball, and in team, I'm on your quiet tomorrow. Now, physically, someone, Dian Casabate, Pedro Pra, and a better friend, our training, you know. And you and some assassin. Now, I'm say training and the coach. You find a flake, and so you're training. And the manager found some at 7 send a city and was same and the manager found some flake, you know. One more training more when you're fast player. And I know when I'm back on it, so I also same and the coach way. One more year training Mountain Casampa, who training Koran can be at the bar. Not the all can in the same. Coach way Abuama says a Bassa place no one who temper now Pedri can pay was on a Bassa ball nam drew 80th minute answer boy 90 that time no Yana man for brebre that time Kwana Bassa who thing and some pejapa Santana Bassa battery no as some money home and so sense and what din a womb I just about so just and the red fans I'm sensitive now Groby and matches home di our brano I have physicals I'm a sense something you know update Emma Yetef and Anope and some our show no so now Yababa Italian Sana Yaba Premier League anymore now Jamino Casas said Yamian say Bobo Crefan some I Napoli one hour Yomunya Bisha some of the Casa coach no Conte Emma boys in 3 days off Emma Becasa Lukaku dear also on off be out training Mobile free international break Abanoa Bain I just Wayetafo auntie Jamian say yes say Uranom Omuruzumu training. One moment double session a day. Dabia oyanopa. Namo banyumre moyanopa. Namo banyumani ase born na David Neres elbow. Napoli omu training no bra. Em say omu free international break kabe jane so. Na ni nyina no say nyame ya doma. Womu som abape omu benya game. A game omu womu ne kayari culture. And ababo sa game jamen say kan say manager. Yefana Antonio Conte. Abaso starting Lukaku and David Neres elbow. Na unim Como ayetima womu gani promotion abai enom ana fabric gas nom ane chaso mo maka ya djuma hono na como fo no report ameme say kan say omo renovation I was dancing mo yase Federazione Italiano Giorgo Calcio eno aye FIGC empany for no ema omo ne aye kan say aye green light omo bie aye dancing mo na nanka initially womu stadium ani omo bie si for environment no ensuom down ade na omo stadium na make us nanka fani pano 7,500 omo biem ama say womu the best at 3,000 abeka ho enti de minya say we have to break about first game against Bologna abefa nipa 10,500 I just a green light no and so am stadium no aye Senegalia aye Como and no anachesa stadium woman some abo afei Bobo Crefan say Inter Milan and some AC Milan way aye Derby della Madonnina aye day abeba so na report am second answer no say woman be set record ni nyina say woman game am ba and some aye match Mia Duma 22nd September Derby della Madonnina and about 75,000 no yesem omubenya 7 million euros I know aya revenue na Jesus komenya e gate I know aya good process enkwano aya 7 million sha komenya adam aya attendance and komenya na mamia e be atwam Yemenya Inter in Milan 5.8 million. Yes, I'm in Milan Inter 5.8 million. Inter in Milan 6.2 ni Diaka. Inter in Juve 6.2 ni Achire. Inter in Juve biom aye 6.6 and I yesem aye 7 million euros and a Derby della Madonnina no and some bet me afache ediamasa gamer and obas on the 22nd our brano and so aye kakre from aswade ba a similar team no and so almost start enkoye no real fun say Arigo Saki, o kind ye, o reference Arigo Saki was say. I had yes, coach a father Sao Paulo Fonseca. You na. I didn't know very simple. Was say, who your coach now bar. Player on one, Mamma Yan Shanimu, and my yam, and oh, and I'm a promenade, and a dear massa. Won't you, dear Jumanamont, at the end of the day, as I'm queer, Yabasako. Now, on Wakai, and maybe a chum, one man by a coach, Emma Palmer, or no Arigosaki, Emma Palmer, no, place an hour, no more 23. What Pamo Munina Manacatre was it? Or Pamo Munina, a Manacatre, W. Years also. Who Enzo Maras Cadena Daviamabas was a massa. Ben Chilwale, probably fat. Raheem Sterling, he was oh, Massa. One more from Mobaka Day. Now you can find dear Tamano Bob Press Convenza. No, some can assembly Jane on Franklin Tomo. Or Charles Awasa. Enter you free move. Amateur selling any no more run. And some I say all catcher for a second say more pamomo I just update Alabama Abrontia your father say Musala before Mohamed Salah no Become me a year player fan Anthony the boss yes fan in a batch for no Sukuru Salakoglu Stadium almost same Amobafano na Anthony Medical because was one come bia na yes boy say mo man a chance na se manager fan set come on a chance no what the bomb man I was someone a chance man who na what the bomb man and crony Abama baby chino defend or do boy be pion wo kwa chire banyina na chance wo yo ho adwuma no Etimasa Anthony dia was say mumma na chance obetu mo wingers ni nyina a chance no idea free Anthony aso ye ensom eba Mohamed Salah mebeka Salah contract no woman ni agent akasa say wono som ebetimi extend na Mo Salah dey say yesem aye 2-year deal from the camp the mean said the last aye 24 hours no ama place call ako Egypt a camp Mo Salah no amoso was say £300,000 a week a bonus to sababantie domo kan nyina say or retire Mo Salah be ambassador adjama aye club no o wiasa fa na nyina eno ye 1 and after 2 ne wife ene nkwada no nyina so say womo no amoba Liverpool be mfie suni o na 7 seasons omadino afi na say babe 2 batana wakuba bia fo kwachechiri kuro a chesem afi na me pe banche maria to so oji se okwati masa Obanis one body baby akonti Liverpool anti anu na ma Mohamed Salah no emsem oyanya change of mind dia men say kan nyina no say wo ti ase ama chese boy no so abesign mame no ni madu eke wo dia kasasa na etopa ho a madu eke say Jadon Sancho ana chese Pedro Neto ana bia Mikalo Mudryk mo say competition on wings no emuso miya pa ana wo say eba say na ema wo yire ohum ema bon ye kama no won suro bia na competition crowd ye kama pa eba say na ema relax yentie noni.
We have a great group. We're all very young, we're all similar ages, so when new people come in, we're always quick to welcome them and make them feel a part of the club and a part of the team straight away. And yeah, in terms of competition, I feel like if you want to play for one of those clubs in the world, you're going to have to deal with competition. So that's not something that you should shy away from. That's something I feel like you should just take on head on. So if you believe you're a good player, you want to be around good players, so because it increases your level, and you don't want to feel like you're going to play every week and then you can just cruise through, because that allows you to drop your standards a little bit. So it's good that we have a lot of great players in and around the building, so the training levels is better and ultimately we're better on the pitch. We have a great group.
Yes, yenye na fe yemraso na ayemeto aso Mike se bibia find it.
Fancy yami adom enamira ho.
Ade
tanka milimade ni bi yanka nka.
Ade na nim ye.
Tu bia ye me hu.
Ade a.
Ose.
Ade na nka nim ye.
Ya mo re ho ya mo ye no.
Ade obi ro ho ye de. Onye ro ho asesun na abesun. Na de bia.
Ah mo de bi gu me mum.
David ade no are ho nkwa so utwa bia na. Na hwan na ye wo na no utwa bi.
So
man you free no ma me ye mo ba na utwa bi. Na okita oba na okita sansa konfo na go guitar golden stool no ho bi da. O say ye wo no na on to pound ba onyini ye.
Mento.
We say the ultra blocks no.
I don't talk.
I go VFI. VFI, yes. Mama Fonton Kaka from Nim Kakana Fonton.
Oh, Micha Ethiopia.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Etia Papa, I come my boss.
That's right. Sheldon Studios.
Yeah, Sheldon Studios.
Okay. Yes, maybe I'll go later. But Mike, Mama shall him free.
Well, fancy way 2 things. I know I promise some year. Joja in Juma because of Sompa or because of Tonga. Intend never the new menu never. Should you die me? And all because of Tonga.
I let the scenario who are
minimum dimension as in free.
Now we are so cocoa medal.
Exactly.
And on the boy the petrol
boy. Next.
Next mpoa.
Case of the X. So the TN say Rebecca Cheptegei. Or a distance runner, or a marathon runner, and she competes in the name of Uganda. Now Uganda ni Kenya no, omo Botswana nisa. Enti ono obutu eye Kenya omo northwest region ho kakra. Ono wakwa obutu a onene ma mienu. Ana ode ye training ni ade a prepare for races. Na the see ne say na wotwe wie ye na wotwe twem na wie ye. Ana after church service no onene ba mienu. Omo return omo ba fie then ne bema no ne ti dada na sisi de omo ntibio no shia na chese gidigidi argument akasa basa de omo ya ne se kwabrane atwe eye content bi apie no hwie liquid nigdugu no sana eye petrol no charger editu ni mu a she suffered 75 to 80% burns, extensive burns. So she was in a very critical state. And I confirm say Rebecca Cheptegei enya dia oka atiasefo ho bi be ma no de ono so osafa Benz kakra enti ono he is responding to treatment ono da so hospital. Indeed, the sad news is that Rebecca Cheptegei obe compete Olympic Games.
Oh, now you are the record banner me.
Exactly.
Boni ben kwa no.
I heard the odaya me wi asem nsem ne ababo nsem. Issue omo kon ye ntokwa about asase. Omo te no.
Omo to land
kabom eto asase. Na we no edisika kwesiesi asase no se ne be ya baby opese okono asase ne da no. Eben the training base most of these athletes no moko into akwesiesi ho. Na be me say manso bi wa asase no ho omo nkan wie. Into we no disika ko develop no. Na be man e be say omo ye gidigidi ho a. I did this particular development and so the aba. Into we no hwe the odaye me. Share the odaye me.
Oh. Sompa.
Odono etimi de aware brebi edi yedi brebi obi de edi wuo na deba so odo am wadwen enye adwuma oh ma wadwen nye adwuma don't just go into anything at all.
I know one can be news I wadamfo not Korea for president now. Omo manyo madwuma ya krone flood here
ne papa ne de anka wonti news
yes ye mia woman nipa makoma ko 31 wadwuma ye
say what news ni bi na wo kan ne papa na anka wonti no so where then the what news ni report
unu ade Kim Jong masa Kim the one can president the anka over this time there
what news ni bi kan ne papa na wonti hwe onte se obi crab
think ade be ma ye say Bible say do unto others as you want others to do unto you.
Ne papa Joseph Cheptegei waka say aban no monjine me na se be ma na say yare mpa so kra no da justice should be served inte ade waka but yentu ye ho so for say you see these things you can't predict because nipa odon is see no ne attitude ni subani na ni will be different but so odon say ya and the creative issue neighbor so the handsome gentleman you see now could potentially be a beast depending on situations mobekum nti let us be careful. Let us be very very careful. Ejapade asase no sisi e da ho but omumie no they are fighting for their lives. Rebecca de wewuko bema no ogina enkwani owuo enkwanta so the guy can also die then omubewu eja asase no ho. But then the way by a assassin home manson. I hope you get it. So I'm not sure that there is any quantifiable way property here a bruni pan kwaso. So if anything ever detrimental to your health, to your life, please just back off. Just back off. And those who are Charlie, mommy and you careful.
So back off me and no say hand to.
And I'm saying mommy and you careful. And I'm saying mommy and you careful. Mommy and you careful.
And now I've also China area bad areas of views in the
but you see the issue too is all because of Tonga. What's that I'm a catcher say?
Tonga is not because of
okay, we no metric kakra.
Okay.
All because of Tonga. It has to do with Michaeli Lomu. Michaeli Lomu won US. So he's basically a US citizen. Wawari omuoma 4. Ne Cassidy. Now one day na otine laptop any wapun adwuma aba.
Sorry to catch you, Mami Chipi. Well, Rahim Rankin on Facebook says, Kim Jong for Ghana just 2 months. And comedy as well.
On to me, the oil North Korea no. Omo amamu no ne any different.
Thank you, man. So now I better know about changing your man. What a team chess school for boys ni training ni bi. Wait, now you would also your school new boy many 3 way bi. Unim some quentas. Your boy here the iron rose. King Jong now no on the travel.
Oh, there you picture.
Shall I go down on the try and be why? What's that?
Say hello, what's the who to meet you?
Oh, you're Ghana.
No, but he's a straight guy, he's a disciplinarian.
And I mean, who's on one for boat to be teams who flag in his wall. Oh, 30, Washasi and Kuku because Bima and Yoma Jumaye and a Macron flat day.
Where do I come out?
Tiha kabima nyoma dwuma ye na water bodies asaya. Where are you ho?
So untimi fan bagara ukudi
Ago hwe. Say ni pasro. Enu na ni pasro. Because ne woto na wo ye bia minister na ye bia wo in charge of bibi. Oso wan wo dwuma na makro na flood nti enko wiewa. Ochina do no hwe bia bobo so behwe ne ye.
Yeah.
Sana ni party ase.
Enti we wan nyi wadwuma shaw. Shaw near the oko. Now Michael Lomo born in Utah, USA. Now he decided to give up the career and then the citizenship at a point in time to head all the way to Tonga. And the Tonga national team neighbor game, Omuni Cook Islands. Tonga, Cook Islands, Tahiti, Omu belonging to the Oceania region. Archipelago na yekana. Meaning say if you what here. Archipelago ye a chain of islands.
Okay.
So Oceania region or your islands are more pete the Pacific Ocean nim. You the northern side, you the central side, the southern side. So sa archipelagos, Tahiti, Tonga, Cook Islands, omuyina kahobi. Now Tonga ball, ye cast a board, yeah, you never factor in Tonga. So more FA added to Facebook, so more players they are World Cup 2026 qualifiers. So when Michael Lumu ninchi fi Tonga, no yes sadia, he will give it a try. Na the girlfriend which is the wife, Cassidy, kachen say on pursue. So ojai ne juma. Omo tonto omoja padi ni bibi omo obia. Ano no ne yere join later, but when the din kind na ne tonto nyoma ne omo de ye kakra. No omo so movie all the way from Utah, USA to Tonga. So omo kwa kobobra o. Inti we na kotena ho wa famua kakra ye kakra na afade amana sisi Tonga national team no obobi. Now omoba bebo this qualifier omuni Cook Islands no and a story now back to prominence say who will give up USA the luxury everything just to go to Tonga to play. Unim de wasanso ayebion Sompa no omobo national team no na bi ni boot. Enti obi wo ha ebia wo no nua na mo fie ba ko a we bought Tonga under 20 team. We so bo senior team. Into our chairman under 20 ni bo we are. No according the boot no on the abobo Tonga national team. But see no true Michael Lomo.
Atobia mo bia.
Omo procure na contact to boot from USA. Eddie abroad.
And is a created ya.
Ala na contact so ne call force wa ba omo wa betai omo chi. But omo qualifiers no e was Samoa. Into her number, but so multi qualifier, they go to the final and some of the next qualification stage. Now, Omorem, no multi but it's the power of football and their football and so to me. And to what all because of Tonga and me patch and your bentia. And now me ko posti now, hey, na dia na we dia fear woman.
And all because of the chrono.
And all because of Tonga. And Tonga, he sacrificed everything in America to go there and play football, represent their national team because Ninchi every honor and to him, he thinks it will be historic if Obetima represented Tonga, no Obetima qualify for the World Cup. Say Tahiti ball World Cup, then they see Tonga when so Obetima but the original Marquem say no, Cook Islands, prevent you from making it there. So these are the beautiful storylines I decided to share and there. And the Tonga the end of the year schedule diame until you all because of Tonga and schedule diame.
Whoa, Mike me that say Varas brain now and I'm a Google my mini Canberra and afi memfa Varas anyway yen kwe kakra
media no me free Ballon d'Or list no now say omo release Ballon d'Or list no na surprise be Brown be na and Rodrigo am make list no and na Neymar aba be kase agro no mudi wo
so say carry as
best 5 bia can say Rodrigo but Neymar entobo ase Vinicius impo the first time of J Champions League in impo den man say first 5 Ballon d'Or list in impo no so make wentimi make what level in your man wentimi make Rodrigo no all prospects so now no or potential no say obeduro by remembering the pressure no moment so nimre beba say hype ni from ukrom ni tina wo ma ebebre wo ha last season omo bobo sen no enti to me no omo deserve say was say there omo wenim favorite ni there yeah enim ubetimi abo one or two players be Vinicius betimi age Rodri su betimi age Man City Rodri betimi age Bellingham su betimi age but there Neymar eka pressure e dey year we ni there onto no bo ase eyemre nimre ba Rodrigo mre ba ni din ebeba top 5 no movie
asadi we di akwa spark ye ensempio
me ana me pese ye tenio ma bia se ne ye separating the contest ni. Rodrigo was a member of a
Sompa
winning
Sports.
team. He contributed, so he was a contributor, but I don't think he was one of the main men. Suehu Vinino was a main man. Bellingham was a main man. You can mention Rodrigo, but you can't also separate the aspect of Valverde and what they also contributed. Carvajal was prominent because Ro no player. No. So we in the free war, you can see that there is a seeming gap. Lacuna ibi wa high and fele. So, but for Rodrigo Ro, what he played, there was Brahim Diaz to do that. So central amongst the attackers for Madrid last season, it is Vini Jr. and then Jude Bellingham. If you omit any of them, they are sacrilegious and they are muscle. So why you waiting on that last season on the premise of the Omoye not Vini Jr. anymore?
As a Rodrigo the season last 2 seasons now.
Exactly.
Omoye comebacks be brain.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I think Rodrigo is a fine player, but the talk around him anyway now some have exaggerated too much.
Okay, so Obrempon CP say, so why is Mbappe in the list? What did Mbappe do better than Rodrigo in the year under review? Let's be honest, football is full of bias.
I say what did Dwayne do? Mbappe do. Okay. Rodrigo was part of a winning team, but let's separate them. And first, let's understand the criteria behind the Ballon d'Or. Individual contributions, goal, assist, and then overall impact on team. Mbappe had better than Rodrigo, and we can pull up the numbers and do that.
Okay.
So let's understand it clearly. In the Madrid team, the top 3 performers, you will pick Jude, you will pick Vini, you will pick Toni Kroos. Rodrigo won't make the top 3. In PSG, top 3 performers, Mbappe will rank 1 or the 2nd. And about the impact and the contributions they do for their sides. Again, almost 60% of games won by PSG had Mbappe engineering the winner, either by scoring, creating the chance, or creating the assist. Rodrigo was a part player. He played a part, or a role player, or contributing there. But the team listened the better so to decide for the long haul. To me, it was more about Bellingham. And that is how come Bellingham stole more headlines. It was more about Vini because Vini stole more headlines than Rodrigo did. Kelly
Carl says, what about Declan Rice and Martin Odegaard?
Declan Rice and
Odegaard.
Again, it comes back to impact.
Okay, so Mike, maybe I'm answer. Brain Boss also say, I keep saying, Rodrigo isn't any extraordinary player. He's just a team player who is overhyped.
Oh, David. David.
Born there, Rodrigo Obo. But I said, I cannot remember examples. The last 2 seasons, comebacks on my Beneba.
No. So last 2 seasons, last season, they can't Madrid no call now. Mean Kase. Rodrigo count, but ubetimi abot say there Mike ubetimi abot 3 players. Even goalkeeper numpo Champions League goal.
Lunin cry Juma Pansana control babeda.
Even Rudiger into on the untenable first 5 in the year. Neymar akwakoye ni chrome ni no enti no maybe or back in the Madrid team no. Mbappe asem na obi edebeshem. Unze Mbappe Euros ni mpono national team ba one shadow make impact be about ultimately the team here there ekwenim. The national team Rodrigo the national team omendru baby ah. Eba the club side so Mbappe a face of what PSG onu the kura team. Enti no end the on to no say Mbappe we are make but maybe o make listen there a toss but top 5 there. Ubetimi abo even more than 7 players I was some Mubaja.
Wow.
Rodrigo.
Wow, Varas.
Franzi. They say the Juma Nanyasi.
and Ballon d'Or Abase and Penifona Sompa Sports. For the first time since 2003, Ayanya Messi Ronaldo was shortlisted album. Actually, say Emrena Druze and Colanos be far batoners or ones to me call him. Omutimi GGB and so to me ho because we know now phone him said yeah Messi beat me album because of new more year with Argentina or Copa America and I say but want to me album Ronaldo didn't share any surprise baby Arabia the 50 goals na man for the bedin komo but in terms of impact to Portugal team no say and as a team na kasa no and share anya ade gidigidi sa Messi there no was something that beat me at the home komo but so church say baby yamfa ade ne nkwa Rodri ne Vini and a Jude we should be emfa de nko uhedin ni bank e bia betimi aka sa de ne se oje no utie nkomo ne sira manfo ti di nkomo sa ni pakọ ne nsanka
nese ade mo ya na Rodri ni Jude nko a
o pani Rodri Jude and Vini
okay
enu wo ho
wo bon Vini ama anu se anu no wo ho
enu wo ho
okay
but se nsa wo hebu a
yes o be chiwa we se sia o
de we ade si tie no hen mu pa now he said you pull numbers no hen nyoma na senka Rodri fatade pao Rodri fatade no tie ka se impact no obi nya just a team player ni influence on matches a Rodri be ma oni ni na bi ba de ba ko be free Rodri de nim kakra e se sare ko di ne nsa e bi a se de yesi hunu se wanye bi fa di hu ko ne bi ana anya sa because all her numbers part say goals ne nyomo mbe ya goals kra na ye de be ma Vini more no kra no Rodri had 12 goals as a defensive midfielder. And he and I can watch him when he is in the Manchester City team. You how I know
about 64 games unbeaten.
Untimi downplay. Oh, Spain team knows what Jinan Vivian. How was man of my take and must Spain national team knows what
best player at the Euros.
And you know, Okrabi BAB. I sent go to me, Jadiano. But the Tiana said, oh, won't be cranium of pushing the Mamma Jadiano. If you was I'm so matter.
Oh, my guy 2018 moderate. Yes, Florentino Perez.
No, so matter.
What when an anchor see Ronaldo, you almost say, oh, coach, with the idea.
Yeah, for the coach, your mom moderate. And Tisambrin and Nuna was so. And so have Madrid for no by your free bar. The you Messiah PR no preserve when by PR no Florentino Gidia Swad, yes, why I didn't know. A bad din the Ama Rodri. Manka Rodri Jan Kenya bad.
Still even a Rodri to me.
Oh, a bad din the Mano. A bad you.
Outside the so count.
A bad din the Mano.
Outside the so count. I said the Okano. Upo team to say Madrid. Upo team to say Madrid. Barca. You push you more. Man City edge then treble but unse na ne hype ne sheda ni obi asa what level pono Rodri make it.
Yes.
It mean when say team a obebon so dey kan Rodri say e kan no social media poni oni bi. Ballon d'Or no so no omutimi di ma obi a obetimi abo omo so investment.
Yeah, also promote them more.
Yes, promote omo so more. It in the club side no so kan City e ba no PR work na untimi Madrid. Untimi Barca, even Manchester United they see a form no form crown untimi omo Chelsea mpo na nya utipe ni Chelsea but I say na emre udi ya team no so kan team no born
can I be bold enough and make this statement say me say Lamine Yamal the chances of him winning top individual awards and was Rossi and Rodri even at present stage per how we carry and see
ebia enye Ballon d'Or but Copa na
top individual awards.
Okay.
Say Lamine Yamal no a better chance of winning future top individual awards than Rodri. I go about the platform no jinaso. The Tonwa Yeto. Checking in history. The number of clubs from England who even produce Ballon d'Or winners. For compare those in Spain. Spain they are no kwa. Why when they dominate? It is either Madrid or Barcelona. So or a Barca player what take a box back home. Why when the tidy awards nepa from this Messi Ronaldo era no attackers. Rodri bo position ben or a central midfielder. And the game no the eyeballs ni na kwa hey watching go. And to Rodri di crowd bem now no. It is because or the side any be elsewhere can the game ho. But Yamal is exciting to watch, and his name is on the lips of almost every kid.
It's on the front page.
And don't forget that we know about to
yes,
and everything voting. I am not popularity here pa, and everything voting is highly influenced. I didn't be a to swab baby, yeah, influence it. I didn't know voting in Ghana, you see, influence vote. I
didn't know obi some we no publish votes in na. We some man to am we so about some matter. Kono copy pay.
Highly influenced, and Shasharak the criteria ne to swab. Me the send in WhatsApp. You can see clearly. Yaba criteria check away. But criteria no more certain. There are times they have to go against it because it doesn't meet or more expectations. And that was what Agogo was explaining. Say, Yemfa kawa ana yemfa hinche fan show bi akeko. You didn't what the share. And you what team ni. Football there no saso net here. You what the all turn na yeto. And you what the all turn as well. Oh wait they say my fan is
Nana Sasano say, I won't be shocked when I won't be shocked if Cavaja gains a high position than Rodri. Emmanuel Lando Jr. says, please, Rodri's best performance was last 2 seasons, and Mike Piles, I say Cavaja is ahead of all of them. Also be also on the about Omoko Tuabana.
Fancy that out. Cavaja is an offensive player. Whatever Madrid did, positive. The contribution count, and he won with them. So the criteria need to be one. You can see clearly. Omudin can specify number 1. The player's performance. What was Cavaja's performance? Very impressive. Successes with their club. He won everything there was to win virtually. You Copa del Rey ni free moi. Madrid won everything there was to win last season. Then behavior on the pitch. I don't think there are certain demonstrations of Cavajala, a display player who does anti-football stuff. Then fair play. He will come in there. Maybe in the yellow cards anyway awajije and a bekunetiano. But all your offensive player fans, hey, I know Madrid Jiwe, what shall say goes, Diabwa Vini Jr. and Bellingham mono. And the goal output, assist, goal scored. And then the be Minyacho say Kabaja, you keep it clean sheet, my defenders in our boom, no more celebrated that. But there be always a go. We have a joining this.
We cross up page argument about Vas Mesamba Kobe Anderson say, what a Demola Lukman versus Rodrigo. Now say, say Lukman so Enya Murai, the only African player or a nominees in him.
Yeah, Obi. Obusa beside about Minya here. Look man there no. She AFCON. Best player on Pusanka. Nini anent me anjo Nigeria o deserve it. She impact or then Nigeria team. European mean Jindi say obi a she final.
The final. Nya European kwa Champions League.
Yes,
and the night we are seeing in show.
It will make ya. What deserve it also make
Atlanta something they hadn't ever done.
Match no Biasi. No way. Bayern Leverkusen budget trophy from nowhere. What's a hat trick? And to deserve Rodrigo in there, me say on to no boise.
Whoa. And it's okay. No, thank you for Madrid players ni now.
Onye someone oba mua enke hard but one mom no so hard bebre.
Rodrigo.
Yes.
Okay.
Because the AC kan di hon komo yi. Oye nipa bia sa wo hwe na nneomo odi ma ni teams no. Ni other team members no wo fa same. And the obi as free team ni mu a obehu ne absence ne that match. Said the can Cavaja di as we speak right back or Christ why emre no ofiri wa you see say
said the wo can yema man for ntia say based on ebia the year under review and as the year in retrospect. Yes ebia wo ka say in general yes obi be fa no different
sa nyoma ni nti o ha eno ntimi mbam look ma se ma ye kan nko onso wo man ke yo ba hifa ba bia ofiri so ka ho Babia free so can PRS surrounded one bibia can say Brazil for no ni other team national teams no. The way we see etna se plan ye PR more mood encro for no yana too much. It's something that you pay attention to. But no pa ni ade e bo mo. Opa hwene Messi ni Ronaldo still omo dominated discussion. Not because of bibia. People are paid to sit down and plan to bring out no more. Yes, I'm not for to say what demo planning your
work up and so I send the coach be one ko bebem.
What did you
Scalon coach of the year. nye prayer no prayer na ko ahye be 10 goals
Gabon so original why is Ronaldo ne left nko ahye goal say ti Messi amontina se plan yo but I am funny serious and this money na ebom and na wo e dey ma no so ne ma betimi dey ama company no we whole year o enti no sponsors ebom ni ade no so wan you obi obetimi atwe dom aton ade no mo a Boboka.
COVID inti. Lewandowski and for now man.
Almost see now family man.
Lewandowski o deserve via say COVID. And so year season.
Na say worst night. Obu on ma appear or ceremony na say. But na man record e bia video ni abon giant screen. Near the asoma.
Near the call.
Oh yeah the suma. I didn't Lewandowski nko say COVID inti me fama.
Year season. Your boy Champions League year. Your boy League year. Italian no man now.
Na Ronaldo peden wo sa I draw your year yase.
As what say special award. Special
because over January we na format ni bia na am for you confused. Do they need something ayi?
And a man Basel.
Say omo dey turn competition.
Champions League. Yeah.
Okay, so who is Mr. Champions League now? Ronaldo. Yes, it's a Champions League format. Ya monitor trends na man for cassette, okay, yeah, the Mr. Champions League aba. Yeah, an explanatory video on the new Champions League format. How many you use omo? Enti ya wade de ton ade a ye to go ometimi a trim.
Rahim Sterling yes kwa
Champions League format mean trim.
Rahim Sterling yes kwa. How betimi a trim by obi enti.
But why platform so. Me do I say hey, free akolas na tabu betre.
Rahim Sterling ya dey mama you must mum because ya be sere mo a. Arsenal for the idea.
So see yantias yes enye nyoma emu ye fine nyina no and we say aye fine entin ye wie to
okay to so Lautaro Martinez
argument say obetimi age
I was team the Lautaro so dey ni
but you see
okay ti enu kru FO na Lautaro no
say we abofra na wo to sie so a on chene tentene ye easy the mount. We diano Lautaro. The oye ni na no. O de imagine say or the Barcelona aje La Liga. Barcelona aje the Super Cup Spain. Or maje Copa America, waje Copa America with Argentina. Waje La Liga Pichichi no. Waje La Liga best player. And waje the Golden Boot
Ballon d'Or straight.
Lautaro Martinez as a Barca player why dey
na wo Calapota me na bet mu hwe wo chesu den wo come on
difference na no
share
Bibia nya srunku o difference na no
wo mate Black Stars ejina kono ntiane I was say nya time Emma Black Stars ma menya no real quick na fe yemra Stars ensensem no so Mike awa camp anase wa wo stadium to be boy nkomo kakre na no penafe ahwem Ghana chances and a pitch no minim so wasanya any update e wo ho say bia from anyone adjubesi there bia conjure magic anase nya illusionist bia ba yes the pitch na e come dia avenue Basuni be doing come real quick now. Wallpapers and a blind curtains AOP and chain and also do be abasawoto. So to be aquacoton and simple. Will you see in the back room you know enemy and Sabuba call OP wallpapers and so I swear make out a TV backlight out of a ball with flash screen HM site any problem. And Timoya na motasha mu favorite movies. Mama show series and mamu tie a news ni no. Yeah near kind of say backlight ni be ball or flash screen etchy suffering light make phone a plastic wardrobes now what a center carpet and air diffusers abba wall clocks and a water fountain a fair best spread no the biaba one also 19 de atete said then going to best spread no nina no p and a day and so abba obakono akwa jidudo bi abasa woto and some the free na so adum pizza tono nana kwasi agman building am na fe make us a chronom barrier on the market edi and share for op 0540 353750 the luckiest as a phone network our subiano bomodian so bobo code no a star 712 hash and a sika ho dem papa and when I simple Albert Miato take it as an individual ultimate audience as group from 1 Ghana equasi a 5,000 Ghana I would dial star 712 hash follow prompt no na just no so what you take it grand draw a 30th November and a grand draw about the luckiest no yes see
luck ɛwɔ babia fa wo hyɛm na ma sika sɛm no nso ɛnyɛ kama akokɔ nam ɛyɛ halal a kyɛsɛ enuanom muslimifo ato mo bo ase aprepare sɛ bia wo yɛ restaurant or rane ɛyɛ choba wo yɛ te sɛ bia fast food nom mo amogye orders say be obi ayeba and answer wedding engagement parties and the akane nyina no ya momode answer obekọ Boris Bishek na akokọ no nyina no benya bi dudo bi abeso to bi anso benya no tu de ya aduane na so bi muslimi ni betobia e ma ne nkoye haram ne mom enam no halal na chicken tiny wings and gizzard ni nyina no obenya bi ato poku trading dum Santa Swan about omne unit to all dianim hwe and afi Bantama Street so no omne Presbya sorry AD and 0544444453 Bafu Polo was same African print and the Pomontadia the shame in the mic and I Bafu Polo Dienibia and T saw your Bemana saw your bar or call wedding engagement program in our saw them I strong kwa and I Bafu Polo what a palm round neck V-neck and a polo shirt and so amount na and what you make us schools num and HS and sorry mo John kwa a fame monso amu institutions our door mo Friday Wednesday when no Bafo Polo Bema Mubi na lapel tops and the down fall and the Bafo Classics no FPA na unya aya lapel tops ni bi na do shoe and some Martina a co Emmanuel fine ya lapel tops and the tra and send shorts and I feel kaftan na unwa depam o pajuma ya when a Bafo Polo and Kasa oba huno ewa hinema kokoben off Santase Obuase kwane so aya 0249 600789 na chase Bafu Polo and so enjoy so and anopai express group say you know kwama no ne mo be se mutu kwa broche so your school ni and I wote open no masa we no a fully funded scholarship assembly kan and am femo so mo be se mo koto aso a Canada, US, UK, Australia, New Zealand and Germany ya je visa ma take it in ewo and am so am kita mo master so say na wote say chase am say mo mo ne kan say chase ni nyina mo mfanko na fe openi no so on process mo simple sanse uko school nyina no obesanya kakra de atumo tuma sa ya djuma kra ensum awon nchen enti Kumasi asaf labor runabout and afe udru aduma railway ababia police station on the honso no wo mo ewo ho 0555550067 na chase one express group empanfo no enso enkasa real quick na fe yenko emra we no enso aye fibo ventures one the toothbrushes any paste anaba na fresh about toothpaste no what a brush your teeth and man dey moya ade o also remember no my own some brushing the teeth and I draw much about 1-2 or seba be pekis afa na to say blow my fuse and now can we kwenye because oko complain how we nya kwa homa tino some to say nua ma moya de ne empene mo ti mumma remember nchuo mo say I refresh about toothpaste no and some abebuaw Ashford Princess ayen kwada ne dia Ashford Evidence and executive friendly and a galaxy ni nyina no and so aye fibo and the abadwa so Paul Golan do not be up be abenya 0535452263 now on the openino and so enkasa Mike quick me come break no
fancy and the betway quotes na 2
I will make quote
yep $100 plus we find we kumia me
so ne boso pre baako because sika de yem force no pass me pesca it is siko no so one each me come break many time shadow akuma pini wo Facebook no so ne screen so ma me
na
ti say betway for wie ya was me ku
bo awu bu mi me kumia okay ti we kumia me ku fancy
betway
code number 1 me pa say yempese ye be ye wie no be bisa
me bisa Facebook or me ba na pin down
D3 9D 239 D3 9D 239 over 100 odds international matches and then you watch na ya
so
the second one D3 8F 614 D3 8F 614 we see over 300 odds.
Opening the shekano.
Owo abache.
Okay.
Enti we
Etrente ya.
Yenjai eche swa. Come kale fast.
Mami ko break camera. One shark, you go break me bana ya ba beto aso.
Toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Ninya Ashford dear. Not so evident to know it.
Who that the evidence bang? And then Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya mokubi. Ashford Princess. And now bra could you dear so Ashford Galaxy. What dear na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And now my media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bro dodomi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofa bedaso. To phone for 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
Mamisha, time HH heba Mr. Bina unumi. And ya what dropa. Ya draw. Ya draw say. Mani pedian kwamwano enya huating. Na akwatia yare. And train yare and san wakwakoto. Fire wa draw. Na nomuno abribia. Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono. Wonwa and the time HH heba Mr. Edia bejaso. Akra wenye mfisia dumienu enumbi. Wopinfo eni oba wama akranufo enso enumbi. Time HH heba Mr. Ubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers. Any shop dodo na mu.
So pedudo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time HH heba Mr. Eyadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratue atum.
Mama kwa baba Gentleman Dental Clinic yedwumadi ayedi ane say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afa na ntuma pa efi wo fix one no anase ayetafre no permanent one no eno susu yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession mu na ye finish scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esene mu se bi okasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebagu na no oba Gentleman Dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho Gentleman Dental Clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchenwa ena wodru enkan so ye wo nungwa ena Atomic Down dome kwa benya runabout no so ho ena wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ni OGN bank na na wo the same premises ena Kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so ho anase opposite AY Ahmed ena udru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na enihwe G runabout no u free Total Filling Station na yabron san na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada kopem eda memeda witimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo mi se abofrake to wanya 2 years akadai ba kum nti African Spider-Man bla be ya abofrake to emu na nipa ho hia dede bi ko so anu ti ka me ho ne ko hwede wo mbia African Spider-Man ba be se bo abofra ba preocupe ne hu African Jack wo ba be se bo abofra na wo secret kura no anything Imboost Herbal Mixture. And only me secrets. Na dia na ye.
Na me yetua na ma nkeka e wo fam. Ana police me di one dance tell me say menye na me nso nhwe. Na me so we no. A boost immune system. Ama say me yetua na me ntebre. Me timi di kama. Ama nkeka wo dwom so ekoso.
Me kura so me dai yale. Ama my latitude me nya ba ko.
Eye je na koso ho.
Hey, Spider-Man, what
Ubenya Imbus Herbal Mixture, our pharmacy, and answer herbal shops. A pin for any color mundi if you do me, enum. FDA, aggregating tattoo at
the luckiest.
Star 712 #.
Luckiest everywhere.
8K. Hey, you got 8K. Get the package on your book, man. Hey, wait.
You go put it on his tab. This is my man. Good luck.
We'll ready. We are star 712. It's much more phone. I'm on the magic numbers. Star 712. Now welcome to the luckiest. And now with me at ticket. You can buy for yourself or your loved one.
Mommy, tell mommy who's here.
You're buying for me, right?
Or who else?
Choose buy tickets for others.
Love you, boo boo.
Maybe straight to option 4. Now you need to buy tickets worth 50 Ghana to qualify. Yes, you can buy random or preferred tickets. I'm choosing random tickets. Listen, if you buy the random ticket, the system chooses a random number for you. But if you buy the preferred, you got to input your own preferred 5 digits. 5.
Baby, give me your 5 numbers.
And how much are we buying?
Babe, look at the body and buy you.
With your body,
So
tread cautiously. Now follow the prompts and prepare. Show them the luckiest.
The luckiest is regulated by the NLA on the Caritas platform, not for persons below 18 years. TNCs apply.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll bag.
And not so good.
What time about me? She see about Queen Wayne and say,
Bra, said your time about Mister Essia Jimmy fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Really, no, this offering now.
Bra, some because me the time about Mister Huadancia, we are singing now about Temenka, and it's some malaria, where drawn time about Mister.
And you go, dear, no more to want to me any deal. What drawn a time about Mister? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through, dear one mark for down for any aquada when you fear to me, and son of the time about Mister Drabino. She said, walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziva, a woman. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to draw namu. FDA Aji a judging cratoy at home.
Colina, Obia Ilana, Obia Cassetiano. Colina, and Yabutre, Motonana. If I now Moton, or Muna. Moton, what you say? Kiss one. We did it with your man. Packwell, Refu Colina. What do you want now? Okay. What do you want now? Show your number. Colina. Red. Red. On Casacra, Refu Colina, on Casa. Phone number. Phone number. Blah. What's on summer red? Blah. Obiabu, Wachi. Whatever. Obiabu. Ready? Yeah, Colina. Wabu or Wachi. Wabu, once one, only. One, hey, we are. Hey, what's that? When you do, let you offend your grow. And I got a what's three? You got a message match. Maybe on them, dear. Colina, Asumasi, Colina. Maybe I'm there right path. Colina. What do you look to? Yes, you are. Colina, Obia Ilana, Obia Cassetiano. Colina, Colina, and Yabutre, Motonana. Moton, Biabem, if I now tre, or Muna. Moton, what you say? Kiss one. We did a Chimana. Packwell, Refu Colina. What do you want now? Okay. What do you want now? Show your number. Colina. Red. Red. What on Casacra, Refu Colina, on Casa. Phone number. Phone number. Blah. What's on summer red? Blah. Obiabu, wachi. Oshaba. Obiabu. Ready? Yeah, Colina. Wabu or wachi. Wabu, once one, only. One. Hey, we are. Hey, what's that going to do? Let you offend your group. Oh, three. We got a missing a match. Maybe on am the Colina. Colina is Asumasi, Colina. Maybe an am there right path. Colina. What do you do? Yes, we are now. Colina, Obia Ilana, Obia Cassetiano. Colina, Colina, and Yabutre, Motonana. Moton, Biabem, if I now tre, or Muna. Moton, what you say? Kiss one. We did a Chimana. Packwell, Refu Colina. What do you want now? Okay. What do you want now? Show your number. Colina. Red. Red. What on Casacra, Refu Colina, on Casa. Phone number. Phone number. Blah. What's on summer red? Blah. Obiabu, wachi. Oshaba. Obiabu. Ready? Yeah, Colina. Wabu or wachi. Wabu, once one, only. Hey, we are.
GP and the aircraft binom so tete faso yi. Hey, sickens nonte. And na clinic ya doctor who can come edano. Ah, doctor no be hwe wo yale agi so wahu moja kuro na na. Eh no krepa. Doctor, say fa ni hu apa. Otene Hey, Dr. Usu can come as now Becania. Namina now on you so muha, Michirema, prostate problem. Dr. Shano, Emma with Timmy Johnsoy. Oh, you are Dr. Sansu say your diabetes say hepatitis B and C, Michre Brebumi dear, diabetes, yes, dear, pressure, Michre Mujabroso, and Namia Bia, Dr. Tenete. Don't remember same Entiminque, Empo, so Beman, Ukra, oh, ba, Dr. Sefagalic Bako Pebra, no Bemoya Bema Asanswat de Wompem, say a Yakubaya dear. Fibroid, kidney and liver problem. Oba unukunu apawa ansumunya bie. Wana o entini dompemu hawo. Minua no mema wo pese mo bema kese. Ene minua kire me ba bia doctor so ewo. Ye kumase atiase ebrem ahemfie ne soro ho a Daro Salam school no enchempe. Fred doctor tetefu so 0599 311 311. NAC Clinic, we bring your smile back to you.
Wo yemre na fe yemeto aso ye ram enso e wo fie na Black Stars ejina kono e wo se ehwem sanse ani braba pa we eye AFCON qualifier eno akocha kwasi apia atene de afri ho watene se afri de nwa wono eye ntie baso na ya ba behwem na ye de diaka ne nyina na ede asoso ejamana mame otoado de ni bia eno a press conference e ba so we eye pre-match ani braba sanse Ghana I was saying ye share pitch and sensem ene chese diaka ne nyina na ye behwe na ya discuss eno enche bia but enra our pre-match conference coach otoado
and then some kakra tuja.
Yeah, like always, and I think I said it the last time, I personally think there are no more like cheap games in Africa. All the teams have picked up, and Angola really quite impressive what they did the recent years with the coach Gonzalez. Yes, with this coach, and it's going to be very tough. If you see their last results, also playing against Cameroon, a draw. They lost only by 1 goal to Nigeria, 1 goal to Morocco. Then you can see what quality this team have. Freddie, they have Manuel Benson playing in the championship. They have Nteka playing in Rayo Vallecano in La Liga. They have Clinton Mata in Lyon. Just for you to see what caliber this opponent is. So it won't be easy for us. We have got good players as well, very good players. So I'm convinced that we can beat them, but it won't be easy. Yeah, like always, and I think I said it the last time, I personally think there are no more like cheap games in Africa. All the teams have picked up, and Angola really quite impressive what they did the recent years with the coach Gonzalez. Yes, with this coach, and it's going to be very tough. If you see their last results, also playing again.
Yes, now just coach. I do just say Angola for based on games on my ball, especially the last result. I just say by I am match day, but couldn't be also say 5 points if from my on injuries. No update at to say what come.
And also we had some injuries, but I think the squad is ready. We have a lot of players who can match up. And surely on this way, I wish all the players which are injured, Kamaldeen, Gideon Menza, Alexander Jiku, and the rest. So we have more which are injured. I wish them speed recovery, and then we see how the season goes when they could come back. And also we had some
yes, and no Black Stars a coach, and I would say Otuado de name Tuja and Anopai live on the show and no training session about so na press conference name Angola, and so the tennis Pedro Suarez Goncalves. Pedro Suarez Goncalves and so Ekasa P name say so be answered you battle the same Pedro.
Really the last time it was tough, very tough for us because we lost in the last play of the match after set pieces with a lot of lucky for Ghana to finish on goal. But tomorrow is a different story, is a different moment. I think the both national teams are better right now. We grow a lot. By the moment we feel we are confident about not only for the moment but for the future. So for tomorrow for sure will be a very tough matches, but we expect.
Whoa, yes. Now Pedro Suarez Goncalves and Ogdim Komaka so far a Black Stars a players now and they better take it. And Mike and yes and common and sound Kwama for no beef ribs I say you better be ana no you born na say why
me do no man cry to you be opeti kid be on frail
sir. Oh, okay. Oh, what a woman, what the oh, by you better take it, Tiamon Shannon, so my as I was saying, it was Sapo Crana, Ben Rams, a best age, my fru. As I was a producer, bits me and someone can pa. Well, our shark mommy update on a Black Stars and players, Nediano, young Angola coach, Pedro Goncalves
has players from top level in the world. So even all the team. But if we look at the big names being the midfield sector, forward sector, players like Mohamed Kudus is one of the best ones in the moment for Africa. Partey is a legend. Jordan Ayew, Iñaki Williams. So I say 4 players, but I can say other ones. Even in the defenders, the Salisu, Seydou is a very brave player.
Enti washasi esa yemrantene mrane eno yes meba Mike Mohona favor so hana gogo so ewa ha na ya to aso ede efi real quick na time Herbal Center omna de time eba meshano abamaka show say nenom enye ya abomode anse obepe bi enso ato na enye na so adwa so pharmaceutical shops ene herbal shops ni nyamo kwa wo so per time adroi wo ba wa fafro enye ma oye lactating mother na so wa foforo akwada ne tuanufo anu a ade enye nkwada de enso nkwada ya aboso and say akwada ne tuanufo anu a mesno mennum bi ana abofra onimrumfie dumienu no ene kwan se o man bi enso enom afei ye ka se 10 about misha ene ne council sababu amana nso gumo na o tenka se amwase kwan ebie nso no ya na emu ay tan ya se duba bi apampa de achireba ama wo fere a ne nyina no ye time about misha ana say the capsules emu bi abeto bi ano ebe ya juma memma no so ana nsufita bi eta free mountain mu ba no aha memfere oton wo yade a onya no aduro enti kotobi nanom ne nyina na beja na afei enti no etimi ya bia ho pa na ho ai kama ma aye 0244 417669 Jean's toothpaste and Jean's toothbrush. Jean's total care ebe cavities and decay. Now you plugs in the fruits and them and they will see and say I'm one I fresh. I say Jean's whitening ababuao. I'm out seeing when you're now so about deba when say I will minty fresh and tea sa a minty fresh breath no. I'm out casan pamo being unity and tonchain. And a Jean's total care and I say Jean's toothpaste no. Ya was Jean's bar and no ekita natural herbs just naturally a ball of so buying will gum and will buy and will num and so I come up prepiano near my crate mouth brushes no so many princess ya duchess and it just said ya can in our hall baby to I will just when na man your man so fine and from I know and so I don't know Mike mamma way
fancy yenchi obiana
and was na baba training no
yeah me obana mo baba training but omo mama ke cheche pa so bisa me dino crash our training no me share 10 minutes of every session even the press conference me nya asesanko and here for another day I don't want to sit here na me throw tantrums and I was anka we mu yes obi ye no dwuma but at times obi oye no dwuma na ebi mu ye omo de no ma ne broso and I think we have still not gotten to terms to on how best we do crowd control, crowd management, you know. How I form, we will need to improve on that. Make Sompa Sports. Yeah, so as a nipa baku mienumi and say a kabom nearby a crowd and so I learning how to comport ourselves. You cause such events, initiatives, you call ye the uncle Shemua. I never musubining yet. I never musubining yet. Yama security for the humanity a demo. Me can't and boy cheat. Na mean, me mediano. Yama security for the humanity a day. For instance, if you are men rank come a quantum one can be rim. Be binti one binti. Yeah, there was an emergency. Yeah, then I had to stand in. But if I had left earlier, I would have gone. And we are training no more. It wasn't for public. It was specified, but public was there. We saw it radio, so this way you say. There's a month or more as a common body. I was see my rim. Today, Sanka behind closed doors. No, basically sanity. Yeah, because all the Kobo game. Exactly. And Domini na begu okra. Me a coach na kami bubefu. And there's one should I need training papa. Oh, the last sessions no did the CV. I did the CV. So nti me am a waka krakra ni am a rem ti imagine akomia so me am motwe no Say me gyina ho aye be hu me. Wo say me gyina gate ne. Dia say ma make am ntie me manjem me patcho manjem anu si boni. Me gyina gate ne tia ye be hu me. Ba akomi agire tira no aye right. Ya hu me ma rem na akomi aye den kokko rem. So fancy it wasn't a pleasant situation. But at the end of it all, I think that in their own way, they learned how to manage the situation. Eventually, the crowd gathered. They were allowed entry to go and watch proceedings. And I think everybody was satisfied. But and then, please, so what to take it to contempt? To avoid any last minute skirmishes, ne challenges be pien hojo. It is best you go.
Yeah, the said you walk no. When yet to say ne just game be akeke. Black Stars. Yeah. Me kaya ball AFCON 2015 qualifiers. So guys here ko ball. Game ne ko ball no tamale ajman bedu she go. Na against Guinea me boa. Bibi sa. Yeah. Yeah, stadium. Na by this time kwane yakotena stadium be 2 hours. Yeah. But if you could do baby, then any park rent me.
Yeah. So it is best that you.
And France want to take it.
Contempt.
And me me take it in
contempt.
Yo.
If there will be no besu kwanya, please go early.
Sompa Sports.
Save you, and then maybe more and your more corner. Any challenging situation be one. Take it and say what to be. Now when your issues, technical issues are also report early. And get the issue addressed. Contempt sort issue nema. Men train man more 3. No wa ko gina gate ne do na fe na no ma so aye hye. Tebia no wanya abotra mfa mma. Ozo na mo de mo kire mo. You see, so obeye bibi mo asema yeda. Making sure say you have been able to cross all the T's and dot all the I's. Na ma ho ato so contempt very crucial. Oh, baswa comporting ho. Say security ni catch us a memfa ha. Me patch all the memfa. Oh, and mu bia obey before you give any response. That's what memfa now about so nyabotre mfama. So please, let's learn to comport ourselves at such event. And as security for us, yes, please also learn how to manage crowds well. That's very crucial. Now to the game proper. Maybe now 2 days ago, I'm catching us. So we are gonna in now. Now we expect to see the ball better from about papa NC. One pitch name Miami and Bossa Bono. And yet, yeah, the pitch won't allow us. Intend the ball, Miss Remo. Oh, qua. Just go with a blind eye. So the old crack support in Siomo and Riemo. So mobile money far from mobile money fair Riemo, mobile money go through. Please support. Nadia Omo no. Chance here the mom so mundi demon. Sana net here. To dear you know anymore. It is because of how a here. And these players, they know it. Obienim pitch no now better than the players who have trained on it for 2 days. And it's a baby or on koni gidigidia. Because of baby awetiano. Nti mesremo yenya botre. Because I know that there a blaster player beyond diets when they say or she just in inquiry and I want MP fans. And you think the idea players no mumpe Pate kudus they love it. They love it very much. Enti omomunya ya komu yinkeche no mo je fans no but ade na mo mu ntumi nye. Enya ball no pitch na mo mu ntumi nye de omo pese omo ye. They can't be as expressive enough. So please kwa o de fraweni. Ampa ho bi besu fraweni. Obi ba ya so obo shot na afoforo no fraweni. Over the bar fraweni. Ade na omo bo so no emwa omo. But I know they are primed to get a win because when you're a first game, I mean, from what I've picked up, the players are keen to start on a very good note and then deliver the results. Utie within the quarters now. I think that they here aside the win, fancy a clean sheet. It has become a trend, and goalkeeper is again a hano. Say obeda ye, but I know consider bakubi. So I idea omat. Yeah, they are to I say what they are to say Kianeke and then if they are getting a win. Say make sure say and the Blasters winning no consider go they will be disappointed. I say
trend and I say the be Blasters about both teams to score.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And to them no amongst some discussions on my no. On my reactor also say they will win and then keep a clean sheet. But ni the application. Otuado, I trust his method. That best players no adiomunya, but Angola nye Bayera Abrewajo. Men can't send the baby minyanumwa. Timejema momo because no the tactical technical ni bibia diaba. Intimejemu.
Okay. Well, for us. My member man said because had dream pitch in the end one year can was when course I never background send out to my phone boy because baby 2024 now national team pitch we so na bobo stadium na ba kopio ba kono so kura ni no o pitch my goodness
omo aya omo ba ben inspect your pitches no emi so omo do Ghana
dey yes one it ya
because baba yara pa ni nanse mu de ye wo ho ni de wi na esi league ni kwa sen ke bobo wo ho bo mo mba be he park ne pa prove my no mpa yasem ye no ntino mba o motimi approve park na de my and players no ya start season no e be compete for positions and the omegina park ne so enkunu ho sene ye wo pe no enye ne fault park na ogina so bobo ne conducive enough to play the kind of football now Jenny so born war Europe one teams now born. Enti wunya ne sa ye nyanto bo ase ne ye support you mse na Mr. Boadu kan ye support wo mo a e yade e bebo ayen ade bo akwa me dew ye Blasters we ho e the new Blasters not because ye be a new players ne ade but one thing na ye ade na high Blasters ne ye players no as o mo nye discipline ne ade but under the watch of Otuado
one still pa
utimi hu se sa ade no ni ye nkambo ho biem players ne ba utim so mo ye focus on ba be ye adwuma no na mo ba be ye and one thing is no me share me tie press conference no mani ajo to wado ho we the kind of nyoma all cover Angola for no ho a utim so onim mo afcon no nyo na de ye koye bo kasaba afcon no do mo ye ho kusafa cup o kan do mo ye e kan players o mo si akan in the Portuguese league and in the La Liga hey. So what means why yeah Juma on the Angola for any team no the abasa or baby yeah
any on Egypt any 6-1
more person or baby yeah
can be out to 6-1 black now Black Stars in your pitch here maybe a pitch win a better score line so Egypt for no we see airport yes we form say we fa rival now
the team no eh and no kwasam ne say nya nyoma bi na ye be ya tia ye team no ene bi a pitch na nya no kwasam we nya asim Blasters team na da ho no on any day si ye be kan no kre na nyoma kuyi da my boys na fancy team na nya bad
Sompa Sport
and nya bad
no pitch no
Thomas Tepatemu ye players are in their various teams omo ye big wigs so yenim kudus what he's doing for West Ham United Majida Shimeru mo just say ho no omo won nyoma ne akade ye mabo ne ye fe so mutimi ye quick but hano they need to adapt and a very short time they nyanto wase mo they want themselves into the game you best start the game no passes na nkose na yesipe but they will come to terms with the pitch and try to find a way to give us the winner here. That's the most important thing in the support wo mo the SA Ken na yaka coach Efeno Tuwado he's one person mejinidi in terms of the tactics no be obey on the field of play Angola for na hardin no two ways about that akomia down for the coach no e call could no busa no questions pa coach ni good but ye team ni team a e team e bad we will get a year nyoma empty my mo yen game my pe e be high starting game now but at the end of the day win beba e dem I Blasters na ya dia pe se starting ye near start on a good note e ya dia betima boa ya ma nyoma timi akonkan dia ma nti supporters ni namra baba yara sports stadium said ye nim se Kumasi ne Ghana ma ye ma Blasters no baba yara e ho ye ba bia e mu ye din e ho ne ye ba wi asem no nti we ye start on a good note yes start on a good note nya afi na bia na ye nyoma na san ba bi na calculations na we kwose da bi ye mpesa de ni bi this time around ye start on a good note ye nhye ne tatata na nyim free wo na afi ye next games me enko because coach kwose apia regardless bibia no or bibi to prove to Ghanaians ono nso ye obi o look at the kind of things where was Sudan enti ebe ye kua ni mbe ye den de amayen enti ye start on a good note what we are seeing now say this is a new Blasters, a new coach, new player that they want to do something for their nation. Ntiene, ebe we game no. but they need our support. That's the most important.
Whoa. And then you better take it. Best 20 amount to the callers and ever from on Tempa in Chibia Mebamos. Me bar go on my bar. I Spain Boga so and Sana my babe fire course. Meza and so well, Qualitac Dental Clinic. Qualitac, I say Pomodian Sababe dental implant. I scan any X-ray and abesocha. Also, you're cleaning and polishing, teeth whitening, a fake cosmetic dentistry. Ebi I was sending to Kronemona Bobi was here. So my fell and almost share amount sending him and some background and the bridges and abesoye. A root canal treatment problem be our num and our city see our FBiano Qualitac Dental Clinic. I say young cancho sabra na braces and abeso short sending you know one by na amount send and so ashishe kama na say fair udru aya patasia ketra management building and Vegas and a D and Mshana so mo ben ho for Qualitac. I was 0545906888. Kulun Ghana Limited. Araba Bazen tablet. Aye medro tatashe. Waba onum binana beme shiama onte yao. Ema chese onu kunum kita ondie. Aye de. Aye very simple menstrual pains and irregular menstrual flow. Nina no. Ebe jai. Make out say Mr. Q no. And so aye beme dro. Bema the boss wana chese mse what die ya. What drone aye Mr. Q. I was so jina now so ye low libido ni slow. Erection nina no ebe ko sexual wayemra. What drone Mr. Q. And after what would Jones I would tell you when you go no what could be welcome what draw a hunchu capsules sababu you born more juice or yana Jones or something I know your friend Jones or ya bra who got 10 VIP bus was all concrete it depended me turn up and some walk go to take it hunchu capsules I know and a babu I will be out when you be at 0244 275429 na chasa onim penifo en kasa na me fa wen twa to ne mre na afia me check it me tie agogo ni Springbok Gariano mabefa course no na 21st clinic ya was Swaziland and ya kana Eswatini ya was Zimbabwe esa was Joburg eno ya Johannesburg South Africa etu obusuani bi na o was southern part of Africa na intrine finachi e kaseri mu e ba ne to asene nan kokom ne sirem ene chasa ne nan to ne calf e ko bia Achilles no say o problem emu twetwe mu tutu no nante ho dema etima wo ka konyam wo nkwa dwuma na nka maso onye scam ani fia WhatsApp line ni e WhatsApp call and I say o send the text e dia fawo and I say mpo by voice note WhatsApp 0244 915116 na chese ya boawo because 10th ya be free wo no yes agogo
yeah me dear no me the befa Angola side no so omunye team a omunjo omunye team a omu edin enti ende Blasters for ye beba park support ni de yemfa pitch na enye pitch na so no ye win matches also omu last 8 matches omu win 5 aboard draw miensa omu lose ye omu ba kuma simple no semenyo last minute enti omu nda form enye se ye pe ball abofe ye situation ni de aye park no entimi mamum bob emfa ball into for mo de mo ma ewi no e mamum passport say Sudan a ye ni omo group no omo wini omo match enra omo na topic group ni sesi a agrobe da efra no pa mo de mo wini mu first match man draw yen draw ye the entum and I'm also concerned about your defensive setup no sesi e ka jiku ni wo jiku wo crown na say you consider more even Babayara you consider more me take about your left back and soon you why na be sha say say ka say bi mu say Terry Lamte Ali Disedu you pe the way on be set up o be ball communication ni be key understanding ni be ko here on be to o mo wan say defensive setup ni mu hia me Angola for o mo attack is bia o mo be punish o Mabalulu say AFCON ni e share no o mo maestro so o see you good o mo players are uda with these seconds cry now on be punishment defensive setup ni there with defense you good obetimi a transition ya ba infinfin no e dey akwa attacking phase no etiene there omo hwe no mo so anu ye ma pa enu na metimi aka for blaster
boga bremoy
hey di Maria you are fine
that when day Wanna blog war.
You say your point of view, I go to you to move.
Mea.
Wow, you
you.
Black Stars here internet here. Although Black Stars back tournament I got disappointed, but omo bakumasia response is always positive. And despite saying they are working day no, obo hu nipa ba begu baba yarane. Entina na Mickey eka say obi e ba onye dey omrantem. And Ghana ne Angola match say no. Met me din crash chance Ghana and Egypt and Algeria ebo.
Oh yeah.
Very tough matches. More than 2 goal margin da. The last time Ghana ball match young conceded goal was way back November last year. Your name Madagascar Inaki Williams go. The whole of this year matches are born in conceded. Your name Angola for 8 matches no you win 4, 3 I draw and now Oma win 1. The last time any boy no Osman Bukari in the free bench ebete Kamaya or mono momushe ye bo 1-1 the same AFCON qualifier. And so this time round so yes any more abisia. My problem here defense no. Said they go can my problem one problem who because since I Salisu share Ghana Jesse no I was starting my Ghana 1 match pe and our Ghana young concede Ghana and Switzerland show me 2-0 yes 3-0 and no penna Ghana and concede that can in a competitive match be as Salisu be yes abo be concede they e come dey born check a very form share in AFCON or Ivory Coast enti empire na bebo na ya ma otuado anya confidence in other guys no man wa lining up a solid team dia maye Senebeya Sompa win against Angola but still na my expect say Martin be fufu ye call ya na ye ko Angola for nya den omunidi
Tomo tetena nkomo Flavio na nka mo dwa na
omo ha adwene papa eti
mama
me predict me hunu say pitch ni nye but yentimi fa pitch ni yesterday say pitch ni nye ntina Angola for ba be she okromako yes eti the only thing say supporters number na yenya win na against Angola because unya a good starter and Andra say country will be a draw only Sudan because Sudan pen winning the match Andra so it's likely say Angola to bet me up a pre-draw. Enti yem pre na yem hwese to ado bet me aboy with a good lineup I bet me a show because they say let back obi say Benezana ebi si Tarik ebi si but me hun pre training Andra me share kakra no bet me aka say bia obet me aboy lead ni Tarik nyina in the same game with Mumin ne Salisu we chire ho anka Ghana di anka ye bo match as Central African Republic team back Ghana have share 3 goals e baba yara but condition you for now no baby you find yourself no you will take it just like that and manage to beat them here say they be a good start now you dey qualify for the AFCON in Morocco next year.
Okay, well, yemre na fe yemra me fa yen course no na yen to aso mfan free 0551931931 0548931931 obana betimi aba stadium nkwade I'll take it producer be boa ma on sa kana fe also akwa akope bi enso ahwe yes yen fa first caller hello caller
Bibiane Kodusu nkaseka atuntuku
me wa chosu dini yesay
wato Bibiane Kodusu nkaseka atuntuku
Kojo na betimi aba stadium
stadium
okay any producer be man sa kan why okay